Hi guys, I am going to show you today how I would like you guys to be handing in your videos. So your PSAs, various projects that you'll do for the rest of the semester. I'm going to have you guys use the OneDrive to upload your material. The reason for this is because the O drive that is available through SAIT, we're going to have to use VPN, and there's always a few little difficulties with the number of licenses that they're going to have available to you guys. So I've decided the OneDrive is the better opportunity to go with. So guys, you would just need to sign into Office where you guys would create your Word documents, these kind of things. You guys all have an Office account for all the various programs and stuff that are on there, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, these kind of things. And you'll notice that OneDrive is right over here, okay? Just click on OneDrive and it's going to open up to this area here where you guys can see the various files and stuff that you might have loaded into OneDrive. So let's say you've done your edit, you've exported it out, and it's sitting on your desktop, for example, or in a folder. You're going to need to upload it to OneDrive in order to send it across to the various instructors, myself, Sally, Jonathan, Lisa, whoever's doing anything instructor-wise with the various video projects and stuff that we might be doing in conjunction with other classes. So I'm just going to click on the upload button over here, and you guys are going to upload files, all right? And if you just click on file, it's going to ask for the destination of various things and stuff like that. So just for this demonstration today, I am going to, let's see, I'm just going to find a folder where I've got some material in it. So I've got an old news file opening. All right, so I've got this BN news file intro. I'm going to actually be using this with the first year BNs for a project that they're working on later on. And I'm just going to grab the 1080p version, and I'm just going to click on open, and it's going to start to upload that material to the OneDrive. Depending on how long or how big the particular file is, it might take a few minutes for that material to get to your OneDrive. You can see I've already got like a men's college hockey video that was produced for the BN voiceovers that we're doing in first year. So I loaded that one up there earlier on in the semester. So we'll just wait for a few seconds, and you can see the news file opening is now loaded in there. Okay. Now, for you guys to share that video with us as the instructors, all you would do is you would click on this icon right over here, okay? This icon is the basically the upload, send, share kind of click on that you would do to send it to different instructors. So I'm going to click on that there, okay? And you can send this link. So you're basically sending this link from your OneDrive to the various instructors so that we can view your material. Okay, so if you're going to be sending it to me, you would just type in my name, and you would see there, you can see there's a couple of different email addresses for me, my home email address and my SAIT email address. You would just click on the SAIT email address, and you would just add that there. Now, when you're doing and sending projects to multiple instructors, you would just click on and add another to send it to somebody else. So for example, I'm going to type in Sally, all right, and click on that to send it to Sally for her to see your different video and stuff that you're doing. So you just add all the various instructors that you would need to do. Okay. Now for this demonstration, I don't want to involve Sally. I'm just doing this for you guys so you guys can see what we're going to do. So I'm just going to click Sally off. But you guys would be sending that to all the various instructors that you would be sending your particular project to. So, for example, for the first year television students, the PSA is going to be due on Monday. I'm going to want you guys to add my name, of course, to the list of sending it. I'm going to want you to also add Sally's name, Lane Cranenberg's name, Jonathan Joffe's name, and Dwayne Martin's name. Okay, so that all 5 of us can be able to view what you guys have come up with in your various PSA projects. Okay, once that's done, then you would just hit the send button. All right, and what that does now is it's sending an email of that particular project to us as instructors. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to Microsoft Office for a second, and I'm going to open up Outlook, right? Because that's where I'm going to be able to see the various emails and stuff that you guys would have sent for us. So I'm going to open up Office. And hopefully that email with that project should be appearing here at the top, which it is. Okay, so if I click on that particular project, right, you're going to see this is what I will see from you guys. I'll see your name up there, and that you guys are sharing a file to me, the news file open, right? And then all I would have to do is hit open, and I'm going to be able to see your project appear. Right? I'm going to see it appear in my OneDrive, and I'm going to be able to play it, review your material, critique it. That's what I'm hoping to do next week with the first-year TV students, is hopefully be critiquing and sending back some one-on-one kind of material to you guys with the various the various elements. Took a couple seconds, but there it is. This is an old news file intro. I would then be able to download it. All right, so I'll be able to take all of your projects, download them, and eventually get them to the O Drive to share with everybody else when I could connect to VPN. So that's the process. I want you guys to be moving forward with all of your various video projects, the PSAs for the TV students, the news updates that the BN students first years are going to be doing. That's going to be doing the next couple of weeks. Second years, you're going to be sending your various projects. Second year BNs, when we start to do our news file program or start to kind of piece it together, and you guys are going to go out there and do your stories on Wednesdays and Thursdays, I'm going to want you guys to upload them to me through this OneDrive process. Thanks a lot, guys. This is one of our first kind of demonstrations that we're going to be using with this kind of online learning. I hope it worked out really well. Thank you very much.